from our homemade recipe, our homemade delicious Jamaican dinners. We have all kind of things here. So I'm just showing you a little bit of what I do at home on my spare time. I love to cook. So enjoy each and every one of this meal that I prepare and take pictures of them. Wanted to show you what I love to do is cooking. So enjoy them all. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Leave it in the description below. Let us talk about these meals. I'm getting ready to start my catering business, so your feedback is very important to me. So tell me what you think about these meals and let me know in the comments below. Thanks guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.